Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch the video to the end, and if you like it, support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, you will learn why XRP will rise to $100. So before the video starts, write in the comments how much the XRP token will cost in a month. To the one who guesses, we will transfer 500 tokens. I remind you that at the moment one token costs $0.8. You will also need to like and subscribe. Press the bell, so you don't miss your profit in it again. CBDCs on a domestic basis is good for reducing friction in payments, what Ripple is trying to solve, and is using XRP for that cross-border efficiency, is that bridge asset, Garlinghouse said. We have as part of the public open source version of the XRP ledger, we have worked with some governments around the world, and continue to work with governments around the world. SEC v Ripple lawsuit. The lawsuit is currently in its discovery phase, with the second Ripple battling over what information must be shared with the other side. I feel really good, Garlinghouse said, adding that he was pleased that the judge clearly understood the nuances and importance of the case for crypto in the US. The good news was the court did grant Ripple's motion, Garlinghouse said, referring to the court order compelling the SEC to share its confidential internal communications over XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. It's really the first time the SEC has been ordered by a court to be transparent about this. All we've asked for 2 to 3 years, is that regulatory clarity, and so I think this is progress. Ripple's growth has slowed in large part due to the US Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against the company, but it is pushing ahead to expand its payments business globally, said Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse today, at the Consensus by CoinDesk 2021 conference taking place this week. In Southeast Asia, one of our fastest growing segments, we see activity growth 10x year-on-year, Garlinghouse said. The company saw 40% quarter-on-quarter growth in terms of transactions across the network last year, but growth slowed after the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, alleging that its sale of XRP was an unregistered securities offering worth over $1.38 billion. Following the SEC lawsuit, many US exchanges delisted XRP, and MoneyGram, the world's second largest money transfer service, also suspended its partnership with Ripple. MoneyGram and Ripple had a consequential relationship of about a couple $2 billion of on-demand liquidity transactions, Garlinghouse said. We paused that partnership in hopes of getting regulatory clarity. Nonetheless, Ripple continues to enjoy strong support in parts of Asia, including Japan, and is also looking at serving the new and growing area of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The SEC is seeking 6 additional depositions and records on 5 more custodians, including former Ripple employees and Christian Gill, the co-founder of crypto trading firm and liquidity provider GSR. The SEC also wants Ripple to produce information on its XRP transactions, following the filing of its complaint against the company last December, as well as on its lobbying efforts. Investors are now questioning if XRP futures will ever be able to recover to a multi-billion market. Were April's figures inflated by excessive leverage, or is it just a matter of time until it rebounds to the previous levels? Unfortunately, it moves slowly, Garlinghouse added. I'm hopeful that as a new SEC administration comes it sees that there's an opportunity to kind of revisit some of the previous administration's decisions. Saying that there's a massive gap in leadership here in the United States, Garlinghouse cited Japan, Singapore, UK, Switzerland, and the United Arab Emirates as examples of markets where there has been clarity, and that certainty and clarity allow entrepreneurs, allow investors, to invest and go forward. One of the great ironies about this whole thing is the SEC's mission is to protect investors, Garlinghouse said. And in this particular case you have the exact investors they purport to protect have filed a lawsuit against the SEC for that supposed protection. This is about more than just Ripple, this is about more than just XRP, Garlinghouse said. It really does have implications for all of crypto here in the United States. How much will XRP cost at the end of 2021? Write your opinion in the comments, and do not forget about the likes.